Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT, getting into technology, and if you just sign into your phone. And what I want to do is I want to take you into Safari today and show you how to close your tabs. You may not know what tabs are. You may not know that you have many open, and you may not have any open because you've never used Safari. In most cases, people have used Safari. And I want to take you in and I want to show you how to close the tabs. So stay tuned for this video. Okay, once you're inside your phone, you want to go and look for Safari. So I know where mine is. It's in here. And Safari looks like the compass. And it says Safari below it. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Just click on it. And up comes Safari. And right now, we have a web page up. It's amazon.ca. And that is a tab. And how to tell if you have more tabs open. You got to go down to the bottom right corner where the arrow is pointing, where the two boxes are, and just click on that and see what happened. It shows all these tabs. We started with Amazon. You can see that in the front. And then the next one is Naples. Next one is shopping cart. Next one is Apple live stream, Best Buy, Amazon, and so on. If you just take your finger and put it at the top of your screen and scroll down and just keep scrolling, you will see that I have many different tabs open. And you may have not even seen this before. Maybe you already know about this, but if you haven't and you have all these tabs open and you're wondering why your battery may drain fast or on your iPhone, it's because all these tabs are open. If you leave Safari open, that's taking a bunch of power. So what you want to do is to close a tab. You're just going to take your thumb or your finger and you're going to place it on whatever tab you want. You can see all the X's on the left hand corners where the arrow and circle is, where I'm showing you right now. Those are different tabs, and tabs are different websites within Safari, and you can have as many websites open really as you want. That's why you see if I scroll up and down, I have many different tabs open. And all you have to do is you place your finger on one of these tabs. Let's go down, pick one. Okay, so I'm gonna Apple live stream. I'm going to take that. I'm going to place my finger right in the center of the tab where the arrow is, and then I'm going to swipe left. See that? How it's moving? If I let it go, it goes back. If I move it and let it go, it's gone. Same with the next tab. See how it's highlighted? And you can just swipe left and swipe left, and then you can go find some more. Ideally, you should have as many closed as possible. I'm not too worried about it because I use my phone a lot and I charge it, so I can just come down here and get rid of this one. If it's not moving for you, it's because you're pushing left and the screen's going down. It won't work. So what you have to do is stop the screen and then hold on to it and let it go. Hold on to it and let it go. Eventually, you will have no tabs open. Very easy to do this. So I just wanted to bring you in here and show you how to shut down the tabs that you currently have open. To create a new tab, what you do is down in the center of the bottom of the screen where the plus sign is, you see the arrow? Click on that and it opens up a new tab. Then you can click on and you can type in a website, anyone you want. So you can type in Apple. And so there you go. That's a new tab. And to go and find how many tabs you have open, remember to go down on the bottom of the right hand side where the arrow is and click that. And then there's all your tabs. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel and share this video with others that you know that may benefit from it. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. After watching the video, scroll down and you'll see the thumbs up. Just click on the thumbs up and let us know that you liked the video. And if you want more information on GIT Get Into Technology, you can click on more and you can scroll down here. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you continue on. Please leave us a comment on what you thought about the video, how it helped you move forward, and what problem it solved. And you can just left click and then type your message in here and come over to the far right side and click on comment. If you have any questions regarding what you watched today or you need help with something, please leave a question inside the comment section and we will answer it for you. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology. Remember to subscribe to GIT Get Into Technology and click the bell notification down below the red arrow on the right hand side and make sure the lines are above the bell, and that will notify you of any new videos coming out and keep you up to date. And click above to watch the latest video. Thanks for watching.